Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have for you a best deals video for Walgreens for next week from the 15th of January through the 21st. And I think we've got some really good deals. We also have some really good coupons that are going to be out this coming Sunday that will match these deals. So they're going to be pretty cheap things that are really good household staples. There is a Google Doc linked down below in the description box for you to use so that you can plan your trip. It'll have everything that I go over in today's video in that Google Doc. So the coupons that are coming out on Sunday will have a Smart Source and a Save insert. In the Smart Source, we will have soft soap, body wash, and hand soap coupons. We will also be having Palmolive coupons in that as well. And then in the Save insert, there's going to be Snuggle, All, there's going to be Persil, there's going to be L'Oreal coupons. There's going to be a lot of really great coupons in that. So if you would like to order coupons, you can through the link down below in the description box. And you can take a look and preview all the coupons that are coming to make sure that the coupons in there interest you. And there is fast shipping. So if you ordered your coupons today, you most likely would get them Friday, if not Saturday. And then you would have them all ready to go before the next week starts. So let's look at our deals. So the first deal that I have for you is the Palmolive. Palmolive next week is going to be buy two, get back $3 in Walgreens cash. And they are going to be $2.99. So if you pick up two of them, your total will be $5.98. You can use two $1 coupons from the 115 Smart Source, pay $3.98, get back $3 in Walgreens cash, making both of them just 98 cents. I will definitely be doing this deal, especially since we have coupons with them this week. So next is the Soft Soap and Irish Spring Body Wash. They're buy two, get back $5 in a register reward, and they will be on sale for $4.99 that week. So pick up two of those at $9.98. You're going to use two $1 digital coupons. This is a breakdown for one soft soap and one Irish Spring. We typically get digital coupons for those, or you could use insert coupons. After that, you would pay $7.98, get back a $5 register reward, making two of them $2.98 or $1.49 a piece. I typically don't do this deal anymore, but it's still a really great deal if you like these products. So next we have the Soft Soap Hand Soap, and I did this deal scenario before I looked at what coupons were coming out. So typically we do get a 75-cent off a digital coupon when we have the soft soap deal. So that's why that's up there. So these are buy four, get back a $4 register reward. They're also buy one, get one 50% off. Now my store has the smaller pumped hand soaps still priced at $2.49. So of course that's the one I am going for, but it also includes the big bottles. So you're going to pick up four of them. Two of them will ring up for $2.49 and two of them will ring up for $1.24. You can use that digital coupon. That's typically 75 cents. And then use three 50-cent off coupons from the 115 Smart Source. So then you would pay $5.22, get back a $4 register reward, making all four of them just $1.22. And I just double checked with the coupon, looking at the preview, and the 50-cent coupon is for the bigger ones. So this breakdown wouldn't work with the insert coupons. So you would pay $6.72 for four of them, get back a $4 register reward, and the four of them would equal out to $2.72. And I will have that corrected in the Google Doc. So next we have the Nivea Body Wash. Now with the Nivea Body Wash, I looked at the tag to see if it was a monthly deal or not, and the tag said that this current week's deal does end on January 14th. So this is technically a new deal, so this may very well double dip on Saturday night, meaning you wouldn't be able to use, of course, your paper coupons if you did it as a curbside pickup. But if you did it in store, then you could use coupons and you would still get back the $10 in Walgreens cash. But that's a whole different thing. If you're not familiar with double dipping, I have gone over extensively in past videos. But anyways, this is going to be a new deal. It's not the same deal as this current week. So it's still the same deal, but it's a different week, if you know what I mean. So they're buy 3, get back $5 in Walgreens cash, and they are on sale for $5 a piece. So of course the 3 of them will equal out to $15. You can use a 4 off 2 paper coupon and a $1.50 off paper coupon from the 1 save insert. Then your total will be $9.50. Get back $5 in Walgreens cash, making all 3 body washes just $4.50, which is a really great deal. So next we have the Aquaphor, Eucerin, and Nivea promotion. It is a month-long promotion, and it is spend $20, get back $10 in Walgreens cash. I focused on the Aquaphor and Eucerin because we have really good digital coupons available. So you're going to grab one of the Aquaphor tubs at 3.5 ounces for $10.99, and you're also going to grab a Eucerin Q10 cream also for $10.99. Then you're going to use a 3 off of 1 Aquaphor Body digital coupon, and then there's also a $4 off Eucerin face product digital coupon that you can use. Then that will take your total down to $14.98, but you will get back $10 in Walgreens cash, making your total just $4.98 for both of them. And then of course, if you have a spend $20, get back $5 in Walgreens cash, it would make them free. So this is a really great deal, especially if you're trying to build up your transaction and you have a higher spend booster. So this is a really great scenario, I think. So next we have the Bic razors. The Bic razors are going to be buy 3, get back $3 in Walgreens cash, and they're buy 1, get 1 40% off. So you'll pick, I put down 2 here, but you're going to pick up 3 razors. 2 of them will ring up at $6.29. One of them will ring up at $3.77. We have a $3 digital coupon that we can use and a $3 Bic printable that was available on coupons.com. So you would pay $10.35. You will get back $3 in Walgreens cash. Then you can also submit to the coupons.com app for another $3 back. It is a coupon reimbursement, but since I am sure the limit is only 1 for the paper coupon, then you can submit to the coupons.com app for the other one. Then you can also submit your receipt to Ibotta for $1 back on 1 razor. It's only a limit of 1. So then that would make your total for all 3 razors $3.35 or $1.12 a piece. So next we have a deal that I saw on Michelle's channel. It's My Own Identity. A viewer named Arian had forwarded her a tag that they saw in store that was marked spend $35, and get back $10 to your Venmo or PayPal account on any Clorox brand items. Now, I don't know much about this promotion because my store never has those type of tags. So you have to spend $35 before coupons after tax, and it is due by January 21st. I don't know if it is for Walgreens only or if it's for any store. So that part I do not know about. So anyways, like I said, you have to spend $35 on Clorox brand products, of course, including Clorox, Glad, there is Pine Sol, Tilex, a kitty litter, all kinds of things like that. So we're going to focus on these products right here. The text information is in the Google Doc, the phone number that you need to text to. So we're going to buy 2 3-packs of the Clorox wipes. My store is priced at $7.49 a piece. Then you're going to pick up 2 of the Clorox cleaners, the spray cleaners. They're always 2 for $9, so they're $4.50 a piece. And then pick up 2 of the Glad trash bags at $10.99 a piece. So that will equal out to $45.94. Since all of these products are full priced, you can use a 20% off coupon that prints at the Catalina machine. I have one, so that's what I would be doing. So we have $1.50 off of 2 Clorox digital coupon, and then there is $1.50 off of 2 that there's a printable, or you could submit to the coupons.com app, depending if your store takes printables. If you have that 20% off coupon, then that'll take off $9.10. I've been getting a lot of the 20% off coupons. I haven't been getting a lot of printable boosters, or paper boosters. So that'll bring our total down to $33.84. You're going to get back $10 in cash, either to your Venmo or PayPal. Then you can submit your receipt to Swagbucks and get back $6 for getting 2 of those packages of 3 packs of wipes. Then that's going to bring your total down to $17.84 for all 6 products, which are some hefty, good products. Definitely use Register Rewards with this. If you do this deal by itself, you can lower your out-of-pocket with the Register Rewards and with Walgreens Cash. So it's definitely a really good deal and definitely a good way to spend those rewards. So now we have some spend booster scenarios. We're going to do an easy peasy spend 20, get back $5 in Walgreens Cash. I haven't been getting those, but I still want to show that type of scenario. So pick up 3 of the Bic erasers, and then you're going to pick up 2 of the Palmolives. That's going to make your total $22.33. You're going to use the $3 Bic digital coupon and the $3 Bic printable coupon. I forgot to put in the coupons for the Palmolive, but you're going to use 2 $1 coupons for the Palmolive. Then that's going to bring your total down to $14.33. You will get back $5 in Walgreens Cash for your booster, $3 in Walgreens Cash for your Bic, and $3 in Walgreens Cash for the Palmolive. Then submit your receipt to the coupons.com app and get back $3 and $1 on Ibotta for the Bic. That's going to make both of them free and a 67-cent moneymaker. It would be $1.33 for the 4 of them if you didn't have any Palmolive coupons. Like I said, I do apologize about the errors with the Palmolive and the soft soaps, but it's all correct in the Google Doc. So then next we have a bigger scenario with the spend 50, get back $10 in Walgreens Cash. That's what I seem to be getting the past several weeks now. But we're going to grab the Clorox products and the trash bags, and then we are going to grab 3 Nivea body wash. We're going to use $1.50 off 2 digital for the Clorox and $1.50 off 2 printable for the Clorox. Then we're going to use the 4 off 2 for the Nivea body wash and the $1.50 off for the Nivea body wash. So we're going to use that 20% off coupon. Now, since we're using a spend booster, and we're using a 20% off coupon, that 20% off coupon is a store coupon. So after the percentage of that comes off, you still need to be at the $50 mark. And I will be at like $50 and some change. So it's going to be really close, but it's still going to be over the $50 mark. So then our other coupons will come off and our total will be $40.84. We will get back $10 in Walgreens Cash for our booster and $5 in Walgreens Cash for our Nivea. Then we're going to get back the $10 in cash from the Clorox rebate, and we're also going to submit our receipt to Swagbucks. We will get back the $6 on Swagbucks for picking up 2 of the 3 packs of wipes. That will make our final total for everything $9.84, and that's like buying 1 package of trash bags, getting the other one for free, plus 2 packages of wipes, 2 cleaners, and 3 body washes, and I think that is a phenomenal deal. And make sure you use Register Rewards from other deals to lower your out-of-pocket on this. And that is everything, guys. I hope I brought you some really great deals. I might even do that Clorox deal this week. So you can still do that deal this week. You can save it for next week. But anyways, guys, that's all I have. make sure you check out the Google Doc down below in the description box. And thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you have a great day, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye, guys.